Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can fix the error if Instagram app is not opening on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, be sure to put your likes, write comments, and let's get to our topic. So, friends, if you have such a mistake that Instagram app doesn't open or doesn't work after you updated your iPhone, for example, to the latest iOS 18 version, then don't worry. Now, I am going to show you a simple valid method that can help you fix this error. First of all, friends, you will need to open your settings on your iPhone. After that, select General. Then select iPhone Memory. After that, you will need to scroll down, find the Instagram app, click on it. After which tap Unload App. Confirm your actions. And as you can see, right away the app will be unloaded from your iPhone. After which you'll need to click right here to reinstall the apps. And now, you will just have to wait for Instagram to be reinstalled on your iPhone. Once Instagram is fully installed again on your iPhone, you'll need to do the following. Swipe down on the right side of the iPhone screen from top to bottom. And then you'll need to turn on airplane mode. It's this airplane right here. Pause. This way you friends will disable both Wi-Fi and mobile data. After your iPhone has been in airplane mode for about a minute, I recommend that you turn it off. Reconnect the Wi-Fi or mobile networks that you were on before. Then you can reopen the Instagram app. And thanks to such actions, the application will now work without interruptions. Such reinstallation of Instagram helps to remove all the corrupted and unnecessary files and also helps to update this application. This is the method, friends. Very simple and quick method you can fix the error if Instagram app is not opening on your iPhone iOS 18. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.